Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, I'll show you how to lock the pen drive or USB drive using BitLocker. First of all, what is BitLocker? BitLocker is a security feature built in Windows that encrypts your USB drive. This means no one can access your files unless they have a password or recovery key. It's an easy way to keep your data safe on the pen drive. Now we need to know why we need to lock our USB drive. Sometimes we put very personal files in the USB drive or work related files that is very sensitive and no one need to access it. In our daily life busy schedule, sometimes we might lose the USB drive. So in that case, if someone find the passwordless USB drive, they can access all your files in a second. So to prevent that, we are using BitLocker to put a password in the USB drive so that you only have a control on your data. So without any delay, let's see how to do that. So here I got 15 GB storage of pen drive with me. So first right click, show more option, turn on BitLocker. Then dialog box will appear. Here we'll go with the first option, use a password to unlock the drive. So let's put a password. And your password should contain uppercase, lowercase letter, number, spaces, and symbols. So press next. So here we got two options. One to save to a file and another one print the recovery key. So this is for like if we forget our password, then we can recover our key to access this pen drive. So I'll go with the print the recovery key. Then click on print because I'm saving it to PDF. So I'm just gonna save on probably on desktop, and I'll put this file name as 15 GB USB drive recovery key. Save. So once you save it, you can press next. So here we got two options. One is encrypt used disk space only, and another one is encrypt entire drive. And the first one is faster because it encrypt only the part of a drive that is currently being used. And you will choose this first option if it's a new pen drive, a new drive, and the rest it will encrypt the data automatically as you add it. And second option you will choose if you are using the pen drive that's contain the data already and it is much slower. Usually it's best to go to do encrypt entire drive, but in this one I'm gonna use encrypt use disk space only because this is my fresh pen drive with no data inside. Next, then we got here two options. The one is new encryption mode and another one is compatible mode. So basically what it's saying is you are going to choose new encryption mode on the case if it's a fixed drive, meaning you are only using this USB drive only in one laptop, or it is going to be used on the device that's running at least Windows 10 or later. So then we need to choose new encryption mode. Or if it's a pen drive that you are going to use in multiple computer or laptop and it's a removable drive, and also if you are going to use on the older version of Windows, then you choose compatible one. So in this case I will use a compatible one because I'm going to use in different computer and it might be used on the older version of Windows. So press next. Here is saying, are you ready to encrypt this drive? Yes. Encryption might take a while depending on the size of the drive. Yep. So if it's a more storage, then it's gonna take more time. Until encryption is complete, your files won't be protected. Okay, start encrypting. So here another dialog box is appearing which shows it's encrypting, and It's on 95.4% right now. So let's wait until it's become 100%. I'm going to pause the video and I will come straight to 99%. So here my encryption of the drive is complete. So close. So now encryption is complete. When we double click and open the USB drive, we can open it because it's already plugged in. So to check the USB drive, let's take out the USB drive. You can do eject. So it is safe to remove the hardware. So now we going to plug back in. So it says access is denied. Press OK. So this is my USB drive here. So let's try to open this and double click it. It is asking the BitLocker password. Enter password to unlock the drive. So we're gonna put the password. So once we enter the password, it will unlock the drive. So my drive is unlocked and it open the folder too. So that's it. This is how you put a password in your USB drive so that you can lock it and no one can access your files without your password. So before going, I will also quickly tell that you have that recovery key file if in case you lost or forget the password. So let's go and have a look how it looks like. I saved in the desktop. This is my recovery key here. So this is how it looks like. That's a recovery key here. And also I would like to tell that the BitLocker works only on the Windows Pro and Enterprise Edition, not in the Home Edition. If you want to turn off the BitLocker, then you go right click here, show more option, then click on manage BitLocker. Then there is an option called turn off BitLocker. You can change the password from here to turn off BitLocker and turn off BitLocker. So the decryption is going on. Let's wait until it become 100% again. So here my decryption is going to complete and it is completed. Close, close. So now your USB drive is again decrypted. So that means there is no password on it. So this is how you put a password on the USB drive and you can take the password out as well. Thank you guys. I will see you in another video.